Oh, this one's different from the other two we served. This one has strawberries, a yellow icing flower, and blueberries. Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun, and we're so excited today because we get to unbox this cake designer set. It's a fun play set from one of our favorite companies. It's from Just Like Home. We got this toy at Toys R Us, and we're so excited to be able to unbox it and play with it and show it to you guys. This is a really fun chocolate cake, and it has all different kinds of toppings that we can decorate it with. I see blueberries, I see flowers, I see dollops of whipped cream, strawberries. It looks like it comes with a little cake server, and it comes with a knife, and here's some forks and some plates. This looks like it's going to be so much fun. I am so excited. Let's take a look at the back of this box. The back of the box shows other Just Like Home toy sets. We see a pot and pan set, some cupcakes, some utensils, some slicing vegetables. Here's some pots and pans, a tea set, and this is the set we're going to open today. Then there's a pizza set and a fruit set. This looks like so much fun. I can't wait to open it. So let's just do that. I opened up this set and I dumped everything out. It came spilling out, and now we need to set it up. This looks like so much fun. I'm so excited. Let's first set up this cake stand. No. Now we have a whole cake. So we have things kind of organized a little bit, and we have this really cool looking cake. It's really fun. The top right here is covered in felt, and it's so that the Velcro food will stick to it. So now that we have everything all set up and organized, how should we decorate this cake? We could do each piece different, or we could like do a pattern. I think I'm going to try a pattern. I really like whipped cream, so I'm going to put on dollops of whipped cream. And I think I'm going to do every other piece with a dollop of whipped cream. And I think my pattern, I'll do it at the top of each piece. And then the pieces that don't have whipped cream, I'm going to put a beautiful flower on. These are so pretty and so cute. And then maybe I'll put a piece of fruit on every other piece of cake, starting with the whipped cream. Let's put blueberries on the bottom. And put blueberries on the bottom of this one. And then blueberries here. Oh, doesn't it look beautiful? I think this is a beautiful cake. Let's serve up some pieces. Oh, this looks so pretty and so delicious. It just needs a fork. Let's add a fork. Oh, this smells so good. Can you imagine how good this would smell if it were real? This is chocolate cake with chocolate frosting and a dollop of whipped cream and 3 blueberries. This is so delicious looking. I'm going to set it right here. And I think I'll serve up another piece of cake. Let's serve up a cake with a flower on it. Doesn't this piece of cake look so delicious too? It's also a chocolate cake with chocolate frosting, but this one has an icing rose on it. Oh wow, it looks so delicious. Let's add a fork and then set it over here. Well friends, this is so much fun. This is a really cool cake set. I was able to make a really fun pattern. I did each slice of cake. Every other one I did the same. And so I did whipped cream, blueberries, flour, whipped cream, blueberries, flour. I can see that this cake is so much fun to decorate. It's so much fun to make believe and to cut and to play with and have a good time with. I can also see that it's a really good cake for learning. Let's put the cake back together. I'm going to take these fun toppings off. And now that the toppings are off, I think I want to make a crazy cake. I'm just going to grab whatever I can find and I'm going to just put it everywhere and make it crazy. friends, look at my cake now. It's a crazy cake. I just made a random fun cake. I think this looks so fun and so delicious. Every piece is completely different because this is just randomly done. It has no pattern to it at all. So I'm going to cut up this cake. Oops, I lost a strawberry. I'm going to cut up this cake. And we're going to serve it. This piece of cake is really fun. It's chocolate frosting, yellow icing rose, and 2 dollops of whipped cream. Let's set that over here, and we'll slice up another piece of cake. This piece of cake is completely different from the last. It's a chocolate cake with chocolate frosting or icing and 4 strawberries. Now let's slice up another piece. Oh, this one's different from the other 2 we served. This one has strawberries, a yellow icing flower, and blueberries. Let's set this piece of cake down, and we added a fork, and now let's slice up another piece. This piece is chocolate with chocolate frosting, a dollop of whipped cream, and a bunch of blueberries. This cake set is so much fun. It really lets us use our imagination and our personality and make all kinds of fun and different things. All 4 of these slices of cake that we've made and served up are completely different. The cake that's left on our cake platter are really similar to each other, but they're different too, because one has 1 icing flower and this piece has 2 icing flowers. This set is so fun to just play with and use your imagination, but it also is a great set with learning patterns. I think in the future we'll make a counting video and we can also learn colors with this set. If you like toy food, I really think you should check out this Just Like Home cake set. Well friends, thanks for watching this video. As always, if you like this video, click like and subscribe and we'll make more. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope to see you again soon.